In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your State Farm account step by step. Whether you're checking on your insurance policies or managing your accounts, accessing your State Farm account online makes life a little easier. So let's dive into the process of getting you logged in quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you're all set up, navigate to your search engine, perhaps Google or Bing, and type State Farm Login. As you search, you'll see a list of results. You'll want to look for the link that typically says Online Account Login and Registration. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the State Farm login page. Now that you're on the login page, you'll notice the option to log in or register. Since we're focusing on logging in, you'll simply click on the Login button. This will bring you to the State Farm login portal where you'll be asked to enter your credentials. First up, you'll need to type in your user ID. It's important to remember that your user ID is usually what you establish when initially setting up your State Farm online account. Be sure to type it carefully as errors can prevent access. After entering your user ID, move on to the password field. As with most secure systems today, your password needs to meet certain criteria. It's typically a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and sometimes special characters. Make sure you enter it exactly as you created it. Should you happen to have forgotten your user ID or password, there's no need to worry. Simply look for any links or buttons around the login field that might say Forgot User ID or Password. This will guide you through a recovery process, ensuring you can regain access without much hassle. Once you're confident that your user ID and password are entered correctly, go ahead and click on the login button again. And there you have it. Provided everything was entered correctly, you'll see your account dashboard loading, and you'll have full access to manage your policies and accounts online. And that's all there is to it. A simple process to log in, but with the right information and steps, it's even easier. Remember to keep your login details safe and log out after each session to protect your sensitive information. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials, and feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and have a great day with State Farm.